Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Hub. Today I am going to share some MCQs related with fundamental of nursing. These questions are very important in upcoming nursing exams. So now let's see. Question number first. Drug used in the treatment of migraine. There are four options: A. Ergotamine, B. Mephensin, C. Histamine, and D. Baclofen. Right answer is A. Ergotamine. Ergotamine is used in the treatment of migraine. Next question. Mycology is the study of A. Bacteria, B. Virus, C. Fungi, and D. Nucleic acid. Right answer is C. Fungi. Mycology is the study of fungi. Next question. Most microbial structures and enzymes in human being are composed of A. Lipid, B. Carbohydrate, C. Proteins, and D. Minerals. Right answer is C. Proteins. Next question. Decrease in response with a particular amount of drug is called A. Resistance, B. Tolerance, C. Addiction, and D. Dependence. Right answer is B. Tolerance. Next question. Which microorganism is associated with cervical cancer? A. Cytomegalovirus, B. Mycobacterium tuberculosis, C. Human papillomavirus or HPV, and D. E. coli. Right answer is C. Human papillomavirus or HPV is the microorganism that is associated with the cervical cancer. Next question. The clinical manifestation that are objective or termed as A. Sign, B. Symptoms, C. Syndrome, and D. Sign and symptom. Right answer is A. Sign. Next question. Which part of the nursing process includes the statement of patient's actual problem? A. Assessment, B. Implementation, C. Nursing diagnosis, and D. Planning. Right answer is C. Nursing diagnosis. Next question. The disorder in which leukocytosis is commonly found except A. Pyrexia infection, C. Leukemia, and C. Pregnancy, and D. Typhoid. Right answer is D. Typhoid. Next question. The test performed to assess the secretory functions of the liver is A. Fishburg concentration test, B. Phenysulfonaphthalate excretion test, and C. Bromosulfonaphthalate excretion test, and D. Augmented histamine test. Right answer is C. Bromosulfonaphthalate excretion test is performed for the assessment of secretory function of the liver. Next question. The metallic element commonly used in solution as a contrast medium for X-ray filming of the alimentary canal is A. Sodium, B. Chloride, C. Barium, and D. Potassium. Right answer is C. Barium. Next question. The procedure that is used for artificial stimulation of heart and lungs is A. ECG, B. Cardiac catheterization, C. CPR, and D. ECT or electroconvulsive therapy. Right answer is C. CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Next question. Position used for rectal temperature. A. Prone position, B. Right lateral, C. Supine, and D. Left lateral. Right answer is D. Left lateral. Left lateral position is used for the rectal temperature. Next question. Disinfection of the patient's unit after discharge or death of the patient is called as A. Sterilization, B. Terminal disinfection, C. Fumigation, and D. Concurrent disinfection. Right answer is B. Terminal disinfection. Next question. Total cessation of breathing is called A. Orthopnea, B. Apnea, C. Bradypnea, and D. Tachypnea. Right answer is B. Apnea. Apnea means the total cessation of breathing. Next question. Prophylaxis of hydrophobia is A. ATS, B. ARV, C. ADS, and D. TT. Right answer is B. ARV or anti-rabies vaccine. Next question. The concentration of sodium chloride in our blood per 100 ml is A 0.9%, B 0.8%, C 0.1%, and D 0.25%. Right answer is a 0.9%. So the concentration of sodium chloride in our blood per 100 ml is 0.9%. Next question. A system of family-centered care to the dying client is called A. Hospice care, B. triage, C. adult day care center, and D. nursing home. Right answer is A. Hospice care. Hospice care is generally used in the patient of cancer. Next question. On application of ice bag to a client with fever, heat is transmitted through A. convection, B. evaporation, C. radiation, and D. conduction. Right answer is D. conduction. Next question. An amputation bed is also known as A. fracture bed, B. stump bed, C. cardiac bed, and D. open bed. Right answer is B. stump bed. Amputation bed is also known as the stump bed. Next question. Usol solution contains A. spirit and betadine, B. betadine and H2O2, C. boric acid and bleaching powder, D. boric acid and H2A2. Right answer is C. boric acid and bleaching powder. Usol solution contains the boric acid and bleaching powder. Next question. Fumigation is also known as A. liquid sterilization, B. natural sterilization, C. autoclaving, and D. gas sterilization. Right answer is D. gas sterilization. Fumigation is also known as the gas sterilization. In fumigation process, formaldehyde gas is used for the sterilization. Next question. Autoclaving is also known as A. steam under pressure, B. steam under temperature, C. temperature under pressure, and D. gas sterilization. Right answer is A. steam under pressure. Autoclaving is also known as the steam under pressure. Next question. The purpose of the amputation bed is A. to increase appetite, B. to relieve dyspnea, C. to keep the patient warm, and D. after amputation of the leg, take off the weight of the bed clothes from site of the operation. Right answer is D. After amputation of the leg, take off the weight of the bed clothes from site of the operation. It's the main purpose of amputation bed. Next question. In following hazards of oxygen inhalation is A. bleeding, B. renal tumor, C. retrolental fibroplasia, and D. all of the above. Right answer is C. retrolental fibroplasia. Next question. The diagnostic aids which is used for diagnosing disease of the eye is A. bronchoscopy, B. esophagus gastroscopy, C. colonoscopy, and D. fundoscopy. Right answer is D. fundoscopy. Fundoscopy is used for the diagnosing disease of the eye. Next question. Which of the following parameter is monitored during heparin therapy? A. BT or bleeding time, C. CT or clotting time, C. prothrombin time, and D. APTT or activated partial thromboplastin time. Right answer is D. APTT, activated partial thromboplastin time. Next question. Serum albumin is administered to a client for A. formation of RBC, B. formation of WBC, C. clotting of the blood, and D. maintenance of oncotic pressure. Right answer is D. maintenance of oncotic pressure. Next question. In a parasitic infection, which of the following count will be elevated or increased? A. Neutrophils, B. Lymphocytes, C. Eosinophils, and D. Monocytes. Right answer is C. Eosinophils. Next question. Which position given to a patient for paracentesis? A. Supine, B. Follower, C. Knee chest, and D. lithotomy. Right answer is A. Supine position given to a patient for paracentesis. Next question. Most common site used for abdominal paracentesis is A plus umbilicus, B, A plus symphysis pubis, C, just below the symphysis pubis, and D, midway between the symphysis pubis and umbilicus on the midline. Right answer is D, midway between the symphysis pubis and umbilicus on the midline is the common site that is used for the abdominal paracentesis. Thank you for watching us.